Oh no.
Look at the
Yo. Nah. I ain't gonna lie, this bit gonna be so tough, bro. Them boys working on the Starlight too right now. Oh snap. Bro, that bit tough in there, bro. Hey man. The boy Barnes, bro.
Hop on to the vlog. Dab up the vlog, fam.
Hey, let them boys know what you getting done to the whip, bro.
Bro, like the Starlight thing, you know, how to have it, bro. 850 stars, shooting stars, all of that, everything.
Oh yeah, with the designs in the roof,
Yeah,
bro.
little star over my girl's seat, because, you know, her name is Estrella, and fucking Spanish and that, you know, so.
Ladies man right
Yes,
here,
sir, yes,
man.
sir.
Gotta keep this queen happy, bro. Let's go. Look at the whip, bro. Look at the whip, bro. Nah, bro. His BMW tough, bro. Two-tone and everything. Nice side. Look at the tint. I gotta do some colorful tint like this. This shit is...
Bro, do that shit on your shit, the blue shit.
My gosh, bro. Look at this. It's big. You don't got no headliner in it right now?
Nah, bro, that bit empty as fuck. That bit, look, you look at it, bro.
Oh, no.
Look at the
Yo. Nah. I ain't gonna lie, this bit gonna be so tough, bro. Yeah. When it's finished, bro, send me a picture of that bit.
Today, for sure.
No cap. No, I think they in there working on it. They said I can come in and look, so I'm fit too. Bro, they got the big Benz in this bit. This is a tough ass King Customs. I'll make sure I leave the link down in the description below. They working on the route right now. It look like they just got done. Big Benz. This is stupid tough. Them boys working on the Starlight too right now. Oh snap. What all the customs y'all doing here?
Starlights, ambient lights, rap. I got a Hellcat, so I would have showed you, but it's not here right now.
Dang. Okay. Hey, I think I know where I'm coming to get the Mero route, bro. This been a nice size shot. Yeah, bro. All right, man. Well, I'm gonna go head back to the crib. I got some shit I gotta do your thing. When you get the route done, though, I mean the Starlight, send me the video of that too.
Will do?
Yes, sir. Hey, you got y'all. That's all Insta and shit, everything. All right, bet I'm gonna link everything in that bit. All right.
You got SS fam, he'll be fucking with you.
Yeah, I'm gonna tap in. I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you in the DM on Instagram.
Yes, sir. I'll do that, brother.
Bruh, I ain't gonna lie. And this bit not too far away from the crib too, bro. This bit is down the road. This is so straight. And it's off in the little ducky too, like, come chill. Nah, this bit is wet.
It's disgustingly amazing, fam. What the fuck?
And he treat his car just like me.
Bucket seats.
No wash. Let's peek inside that bit. I ain't trying to. Ooh, this bit.
Bucket seats, come on.
This bit is
That shit
tough.
retarded, bruh.
My gosh,
Look
bro.
how big that wing is, cuz. That shit actually looks good, though.
Bro.
Fuck.
What the f? He got bigger brakes on this shit than me, bro. This shit is huge.
That's a fucking GTR, bro.
Yo.
How the fuck did I just see that?
That boy got good eyesight. That boy said, I thought he was talking about a spin spot down there.
Nah, bruh, I can't do that to these man's business.
You. Who can?
That shit is real, bruh.
Man, that's tough, man. One day, man. One day. This bitch. I like the pink.
Oh, look at this shit, look at you.
Oh, snap. Nah, that bit tough. Okay, then.
That shit hella fun.
This yours or this what you working on?
Nah, this on my lady car. She driving my Hellcat right now.
Hell, yo, I'm already knowing. I cut that out.
Guess his rap, though.
What do you got?
Bruh, diamond rap, bruh.
Oh, shit.
This shit fucking
It's
crazy.
black and like camo-ish. Bruh, my homeboy just sent a video of that bit in the chat this morning, bro. I swear on everything. Yeah, that's crazy. Your shit tough.
You in the chat with her?
Nah, that's lit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That he tough, man. I gotta get like that with my lady driving my car. Yes, sir, bro.
Yes, sir.
That's you already, man. You could do that. My car manual,
She's trying to
so.
trade her shit in. I'm telling her. Little C43.
Hey, get that bit. AMG? Okay.
She's trying to, you know what I'm saying? You could
Shit.
be Benz and, you know what I'm saying? Benz and Beamer too.
Hey, bro, that'll be tough, bro. A tandem like that one time? Okay. Yes, sir, my boy. All right, safety, fam. I think I'm finna go slide to the car wash real quick, get Roxy a little wash off, and then going to the cribs. I'm gonna lie, I'm gonna try to hit y'all with this new little angle, man. Little POV with DEV. Okay. Now let me look at what I'm doing if I crash out this bit. No doubt, but we can rock out and listen to music and drive. Y'all get to see what it's like to actually ride with me. If the motherfucking camera stays still, this might not even work out, man. No cap. I don't know if this is a smart idea, bro. This bit won't stay. And look at it, bro. Falling down, bro. You can't fall. Turbo diesel. Oh. Ooh. We did it, man. Come on, bro. Driver of the year. It didn't. That bit just gonna. Alright. Yeah, that bit not gonna work. Too much horsepower, bro. I'm gonna just catch y'all when we get to where we gotta go. Look. Ooh, I just shifted with my left hand while talking to y'all with this hand. Oh my gosh, boy, I'm him. All right, let me stop before I crash, cause I did that without thinking, bro. I just ooh, come on, and I'm driving with the knee. Oh my gosh, I'm him. All right, let me stop for my luck right now, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all at the tire shop. Oh, I think I got $1. Nah, that ain't even gonna wash the whole car. $1? No way. Alright. Oh Lord, I almost tripped and bust my hiney. How to use. This will generate your code. Please notate your code. Your code would be the last 4 digits of your Oh shit. Y'all don't need to know that. Alright. Let me pay right quick. Hold on now. Why is still showing me instructions? I don't need no more instructions. I get it. I got you. Where's my wallet? Oh, gotta reach it to the right hand pocket. Oh, I can use Apple Pay. Yeah, I'm gonna Apple Pay that bitch. Alright. We finally figured it out, man. You just had to swipe the card. Then it remember your information. Then you just walk over that bit. Then you just type your information back in, man. It's a, permanent for your car hack. That bit did not work. What? Yo, swag, got it, yo. Tire pressure. Oh, low pressure tire cleaner. But I can't read, man. Oh, I can't. Let me not say bad stuff like that. Oh, big rocks, man. Look at her. All right, y'all. We had the car wash, as y'all can see. Let me go ahead and get for a wash real quick because I'm not trying to waste all that money. You'll run up $20 here quick chit chatting. So let me go ahead and sit y'all down and get to work. Man, sent me a song to hop on like I ain't get it. Gotta make sure you let it rinse out. Yeah, I cop. This bitch gonna cost an arm and a leg, man. I was tripping. This bitch is gonna cost $15, bro. This joint's supposed to be cheap, bro. But I'll be over here taking my time, bro. Now the good part. Hey, yo. So cool, man. Nah, that was gonna sound crazy. I ain't gonna say it. I just painted the arrow. This video come off if this video come off squeaky clean, man, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Daddy, it's okay. Baby, it's okay. You just want that cake. I just want that cake.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what happened. The camera had cut out, but Roxy is all finished. I would wash her off, but wash her off? I mean, wipe her off or blow her off? Whoa, that sounds wrong. Man, anyway, y'all get what I'm trying to say. But I'm feeling too lazy. I gotta go meet with LT1 Ghost. Well, I can't even say LT1 no more because he swapped his bumper. Y'all see, man. We can just go link up when we go get with him, and I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we get over there.
So, I went home and got on the game. And perhaps I may have fallen asleep. See y'all tomorrow.